How to search for people or friends on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn how we can search for people or friends on our Instagram. So the first thing you guys need to do is just open up your Instagram and then go to the magnifying glass. Then click on the search, and here you can write all the names of the person that you want to search. Like I just want to search for and here you can see there are 5 options. You can see that there are the person who is on the top, and then accounts, and then audio, and then tasks and places. So when you are on the top, you can see that all the persons who are with the name William, and when you click on the account you see the same text. But when you come to audio, you will just have the audio which have something related to William, and then when you click on tags, there are the persons which are tagged in the hashtag William. And then places will include all the places which are starting with name William. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon.